Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta Verify for SSO access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta Verify for single sign-on access, begin by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Okta login page provided by your organization. Enter your username in the designated field. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully and click Sign In. At this point, you may be asked to verify your identity using Okta Verify. Open the Okta Verify app on your mobile device. If necessary, select your account within the app. You will see a time-sensitive code displayed on your device. Type this code into the verification field on the login page. After you input the code, click Verify to confirm your identity. If prompted, allow any permissions that Okta Verify requests. Once verified, you will be granted access to your organization's resources. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. For any persistent issues, consult your IT support team for assistance. Regularly updating your Okta Verify app ensures optimal security. Stay aware of any notifications for app updates from your organization. This concludes the detailed guide on authenticating with Okta Verify for SSO access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.